course. Switch your basic knowledge to advanced by joining software classes. Microsoft Office 2019. Mailing, DOS and much more. Graphics designing with CorelDRAW. Design logos and banners professionally with Corel graphic suites. Adobe Photoshop CC. Enhance your editing skills with Adobe Photoshop CC. Join professional course now. Accounting management. Make business management easy with TallyERP 9 GST. Choose accounting as your career. Be a code master. Level up your coding skills with C, C++, Java and Python. Small but important course. Make your work faster and easy by joining typing classes. Be a computer hardware and networking master. Make future in its sector. Must visit us. We will guide you for better course selection.